Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ainur Rafiq. My name is 17076190337. I want to presentation my thesis. The title of my thesis is The Influence of Transformational Leadership and Job Satisfaction on Organizational Commitment at PTX throughout Jabodetabek. My supervisor is Mrs. Dita Purwita, SPD, MSc, PhD, and Dr. Christian Wiradedi Wolor, SEMM. Business Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, 2024. Let's begin to the presentation. Number one, Introduction. 1.1, Background of the problem. 1.2, Research question. 1.3, Research purposes. 1.4, Benefits of research. Background of the problem. Researchers conducted a pre-survey by distributing a questionnaire in the form of a Google form to 30 employees of PTX. The result was that 25 people chose that job satisfaction was the factor that most influenced organizational commitment at their current place of work, and 23 people chose that transformational leadership was the factor that most influenced organizational commitment at their current place of work. Currently, 30 people choose that coworkers are the factor that most influence organizational commitment at their current place of work. Then people choose that work motivation is the factor that influences organizational commitment at their current place. Currently working, 9 people choose that the work environment is the factor that most influence organizational commitment to where they currently work. And 8 people choose that organizational culture is the factor that most influence organizational commitment to where they currently work, can be seen in the diagram below. You can see on the diagram factor that influence of organizational commitment on the PTX in the center of in the center company. Okay, continue. Background of the table. You can see the result of 30 employee of the PTX about what they feel about the organizational commitment in their company. You can see on the picture. Background of the problem. Based on the results of the researchers' interview with the Mrs. Kustika as head of the Human Resources Division of the PTX, the problem that occur in transformational leadership are A. There are still superiors who prioritize personal interest over the interest of the company itself, such as coming into the office late after lunchtime because they are still busy with their activities even though they should already be at work hours. So in the end, they tell their subordinates to do the work they should be doing. B. Lack of examples and motivation from superiors to subordinates regarding the importance of being an employee in achieving an organizational goal, because it is considered taboo and rigid to follow and direct employees to motivate each other to achieve an organizational goal. They think that employees should already each individual has self-awareness regarding achieving organizational goals, so that in the end, due to a lack of examples from superiors, this leads to a decrease in motivation from subordinates to work together to achieve organizational goals. Based on the results of the researchers' interview with Mrs. Kustika as head of the Human Resources Management Division at PTX, problems that occur in employee job satisfaction are A. The large amount of work piling up coupled with repetitive work results in employees getting bored with their work. Not to mention employees who have to meet work deadlines, which they often don't have time for, so they are forced to work overtime. B. Work that is less challenging and trains thinking skills, giving rise to employees' lack of satisfaction in completing their work. They think that their skills, which are usually needed in the world of work, have not increased significantly, giving rise to their lack of satisfaction in their work. Research question. Number one. Does transformational leadership influence organizational commitment among PTX workers in the Jabodetabek area? Two, does job satisfaction influence organizational commitment among PTX workers in the Jabodetabek area? Three, do transformational leadership and job satisfaction simultaneously influence organizational commitment among PTX workers in the Jabodetabek area? Research purposes. One, to examine the influence of transformational leadership on organizational commitment among PTX workers in the Jabodetabek area. Two, to examine the effect of job satisfaction on organizational commitment among PTX workers in the Jabodetabek area. Three, to examine the influence of transformational leadership and job satisfaction simultaneously on organizational commitment among PTX workers in the Jabodetabek area. Benefits of research. Theoretical benefits provides theoretical contributions regarding transformational leadership, job satisfaction, and organizational commitment in HR or human resources management. Practical benefits. A. Researcher, companies, and students. Two. Literature review. Supporting theory. 2.2 Previous research and theoretical framework. Supporting theory. Organizational commitment. According to Ahad et al. 2021, organizational commitment is the extent to which an employee identifies with a particular organization along with its goals and desires to maintain membership in that organization. Transformational leadership, according to Juraidi and Laili 2020, the definition of transformational leadership is leadership that uses an approach that leads to change in individuals and social systems. The ideal form of valuable and positive change creates in followers whose ultimate goal is to develop into leaders. Job satisfaction. According to Dan 2022, job satisfaction is a general attitude towards a person's work. The difference between the amount of compensation workers receive and the amount they believe they should receive. Previous research. A. Transformational leadership on organizational commitment. This is the previous research or journal that the researchers found that transformational leadership has a significant effect on organizational commitment. This is the previous research, job satisfaction on organizational commitment. You can see on the picture. Continue. This is previous research, C, transformational leadership and job satisfaction on organizational commitment. You can see on the picture. Continue. This is the theoretical framework. Hypothesis framework. Hypothesis 1. Transformational leadership has a positive and significant effect on organizational commitment among PTX workers throughout Jabodetabek. Hypothesis 2. Job satisfaction has a positive and significant effect on organizational commitment among PTX workers throughout Jabodetabek. Hypothesis 3. Transformational leadership and job satisfaction together have a positive and significant effect on organizational commitment in PTX workers throughout Jabodetabek. 3. Research methods. 3.1 Location and time. 3.2 Research design. 3.3 Population and sample. 3.4 Instrument development. 3.5 data collection technique. 3.6, data analysis technique. Research methods. 3.1, location and time. This research was conducted over 11 months from September 2023 to July 2024. 3.2, research design. Researchers conducted this research using a quantitative method approach. The techniques used are structured techniques such as surveys and questionnaires. 3.3, population and sample. PTX employees in the Greater Jakarta area with a minimum of 6 months work experience and a minimum age of 11 years. 3.4, instrument development includes three variables with two independent variables, namely transformational leadership or X1 and job satisfaction X2, as well as one dependent variable, namely organizational commitment or Y. 3.5, data collection technique. Collect data in two ways, namely communication techniques and observation techniques, consists of interviews, questionnaires, validity tests, and reliability tests. 3.6, data analysis techniques. Researchers used several data analysis techniques, namely descriptive analysis, classical assumption test, multiple regression test, correlation coefficient, coefficient of determination, test, and F-test. Fourth, results and discussion. 4.1, data collection. 4.2, research analysis results. And 4.3, discussion. Respondent characteristic. This is the characteristic of respondent. Number one is the sex of gender, the gender of respondent. You can see on the table. And number two, age of respondent. You can see on the picture. And number three, the last education of respondent. And number four, the work experience of respondent on PTX in Greater Jabodetabek, in Greater Jakarta, in Jabodetabek area. You can see on the picture. Okay, continue. Results of descriptive analysis. Number one, transformational leadership. You can see the result of descriptive analysis on the picture. And then the results of descriptive analysis. The description of the data presented in the table above was obtained from PTX employees throughout Jabodetabek regarding the transformational leadership variable. From the data above, it can be seen that answers in the positive direction are dominated by statement item number 3 on the agree scale, namely 102 respondents with the statement namely my boss acts in a way that makes me respect him. This indicates that employees agree that they respect their superiors because their superiors behave in ways that make them respect their superiors. Meanwhile, the largest answer in the negative direction was obtained by statement item number 14 on the disagree scale, namely 16 respondents or 10.5% with the statement, my boss suggested a new way of looking at completing tasks. This indicates that some employees do not agree that their superiors provide suggestions with new perspective in completing their office tasks. Based on the data above, it can be concluded that more respondents answered in the positive direction than in the negative direction. Number two, results of descriptive analysis, job satisfaction, you can see on the picture. Okay, continue. Results of descriptive analysis of job satisfaction. The description of the data presented in the table above was obtained from PTX employees throughout Jabodetabek regarding the job satisfaction variable. From the data above, it can be seen that answers in the positive direction are dominated by statement item number 5 on the satisfaction scale, namely 90 respondents or 58.8%, with the statement, namely, the way my boss handles his workers. This indicates that they are satisfied with the way their superiors handle their work. And while the largest negative answer was obtained by statement item number 15 on the dissatisfied scale, namely 11 respondents or 7.2% with the statement freedom to use my own judgment. This indicates that some employees are dissatisfied in their freedom to use their own judgment on their work. Based on the data above, it can be concluded that more respondents answered in the positive direction than in the negative direction. Results of descriptive analysis of organizational commitment you can see on the picture. Results of descriptive analysis of organizational commitment. The description of the data presented in the table above was obtained from PTX employees throughout Jabodetabek regarding the organizational commitment variable. From the data above, it can be seen that answers in the positive direction are dominated by statement item number 1 on the agree scale, namely 106 respondents or 69.3% with the statement, namely, I would be very happy to spend the rest of my career at this company. This indicates that employees agree that they would be very happy if they spend the rest of their career at PTX. Meanwhile, the largest negative answer was obtained by statement item number 8 on the disagree scale, namely 15 respondents or 9.8% with the statement in the form, it would be very difficult for me to leave my job at this company at this time even though I want it. And statement item number 11, number 18, I'm sorry, on the disagree scale, namely 15 respondents or 9.8% with the statement, I owe a lot to this company. This indicates that some employees do not agree that it will be difficult for them to leave their jobs at PTX even if they want to. And also some employees do not agree that they owe a lot to PTX compared to the negative. Correlation coefficient results. This is the result of correlation coefficient. Number one, transformational leadership with organizational commitment. You can see on the picture that there has a result of person correlation 0.538, which is there is a significant effect and or have a correlation between transformational leadership on organizational commitment. And number two, job satisfaction with organizational commitment. There has a person correlation results 0.519, which is job satisfaction has a correlation or significant effect on the organizational commitment. Continue. Multiple linear regression results. The constant value has a positive value of 16.068. From this calculation, it shows that if the transformational leadership and job satisfaction variables do not exist or are equal to 0, then the organizational commitment variable has a value of 16.068 units. Classical assumption test results. Number one, normality test. There are two results. There are two types of tests in my normality test. There is a Kolmogorov-Smirnov test and with normal probability plot. With Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, according to the normality test results, the exact significance value is 0.122, which is greater than 0.05, meaning the data used is normal. And the normality test results with normal probability plot in the image above, the plotting data or dots follows a diagonal line. This shows that the normality test results are a normally distributed regression model. So, of classical assumption test result, multicollinearity test. Based on the results of the multicollinearity test, which can be explained in the table above, if the tolerance value for each independent variable is greater than 0.10, namely 0.663, or with a VIF value smaller than 10.00, namely 1.509. Then the independent variables in the regression model are not correlated with each other. So there is no multicollinearity or multicollinearity free problem. 3. Heteroscedasticity test. Based on the scatter plots output above, it is known that the data points spread above and below around the number 0. The points do not gather only above or below. The distribution of the points does not form a wavy pattern but is random. In this way, it can be found that there is no heteroscedasticity problem, so that a good and correct regression model can be fulfilled. The test result. From the table, so this is two result. There is a transformational leadership variable and job satisfaction variable. On the transformational leadership variable, from the table, it can be seen that the significant value or sig of the transformational leadership variable or x1 is 0.000, smaller than 0.005. So it can be concluded that hypothesis 1 is accepted. This means that it can be seen that there is an influence between transformational leadership or X1 on organizational commitment. From the table, there is also a calculated T value of 7.844 greater than T table 1.655. So it can be concluded that hypothesis 1 is accepted. This means that the transformational leadership variable influences organizational commitment. On the job satisfaction, we can see from the table above, it can be seen that the significant value sig of the job satisfaction variable or x2 is 0.000, smaller than 0.005. So it can be concluded that hypothesis 2 is accepted. This means that it can be seen that there is an influence between job satisfaction and organizational commitment. From the table, there is also a calculated p-value of 7.453 greater than t-table 1.655. So it can be concluded that hypothesis 2 is accepted. This means that the job satisfaction influences organizational commitment. On the F-test results, from the calculations in the table above, it shows that the F value obtained is 0.000, meaning the result is smaller than 0.05 significant level. It can be concluded in this research that the independent variables, namely transformational leadership and job satisfaction, simultaneously influence dependent variable of organizational commitment in PTX workers throughout Jabodetabek. Coefficient of determination test results. It is shown from the calculation results in the table above that the coefficient of determination value is 0.354 or 35.4%. These results show that change in the dependent variable, namely organizational commitment, are influenced by independent variables, namely transformational leadership and job satisfaction, with a result of 35.4%. And the remainder is influenced by other factors which are not explained in this research. Discussion. Based on the research conducted by researchers with the title The Influence of Transformational Leadership and Job Satisfaction on Organizational Commitment Among PTX Workers throughout Jabodetabek, the discussion obtained from the research result is as follows. We can see On the results, we can conclusion that transformational leadership and job satisfaction have a simultaneous or significant effect on the dependent variable, namely organizational commitment in PTX workers throughout Jabodetabek. Two, dependent variable that partially influence organizational commitment in PTX workers throughout Jabodetabek. A, the influence of transformational leadership on organizational commitment. You can see on the result on the picture. We can conclude that the transformational leadership variable partially has a significant effect on organizational commitment in PTX workers throughout Jabodetabek. And B, the influence of job satisfaction on organizational commitment. You can see the result on the picture. We can conclude that the variable of job satisfaction has a partially significant effect on organizational commitment in PTX workers throughout Jabodetabek. 5. Closing. 5.1 Conclusion. 5.2 Implications. 5.3 Research Limitation. 5.4 Recommendations for further researchers. 5.1 Conclusion. The results of the correlation between the independent variable and the dependent variable were found, which can be seen below. A. It can be seen that the coefficient value of transformational leadership is 0.538, indicating that it has a moderate positive relationship with organizational commitment. This means that transformational leadership has a direct relationship with organizational commitment. B. It was found that the correlation coefficient for job satisfaction was 0.519, indicating that there was a moderate positive relationship with organizational commitment. This means that job satisfaction has a direct relationship with organizational commitment. C. It was found in this research that the results of the multiple correlation coefficient test with a sigf change value of 0.000 and the results of the correlation coefficient or R of 0.595 indicate that there is a positive relationship between transformational leadership and job satisfaction on organizational commitment. 5.2 Implications. Based on the results of the research and explanations that have been carried out, the researcher hopes to provide implications for several parties below. A. Theoretical implication. Researchers hope that the findings of this study can add insight and become a reference for readers in none other than the field of science related to the human resource mix. B. Practical implications. 1. For companies, it is hoped that it can motivate and educate employees regarding the importance of implementing a transformational leadership style in the company, as well as the positive impact it will have on the employees themselves and also the company. 2. For lecturers and universities, researchers hope that the results of this research can be used by lecturers and universities in sharing their knowledge with students about theory and practice regarding the human resource mix. 5.3 Research limitations. 1. In this study, researchers only took two factors that influence organizational commitment: transformational leadership and job satisfaction. However, in fact, there are still many factors that influence organizational commitment. 2. The sample used in this research is still relatively small because its coverage is limited to certain companies in the Jabodetabek area. Continue. Research recommendations. Below are several recommendations for research that can be carried out further. 1. It is hoped that further research can be carried out in companies with a wider coverage so that the number of samples that will be used in further research will have more accurate data that is close to the actual situation. 2. In the next research, it is hoped that we will provide several other variables or factors that have not been widely researched to influence organizational commitment by using a different research design with more respondents, regional coverage. That's all the presentation that I can give. Thank you so much for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.